I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Did you just get a Ryobi variable speed jigsaw? Like this one? Or maybe you inherited an older jigsaw, like this Blackened Decker or this Bosch. How do you change the blades on a jigsaw? Let's dive in. The first thing to note, there are two types of blades. First is the U-shank, like pictured here, and the second is the T-shank. No, T-shank is not a rap star. It's a type of jigsaw blade. Looks like a T. Now you'll see here on the Ryobi, this type of jigsaw has a spring-loaded collar that holds the T-shank jigsaw blade in. You just simply rotate or spin the spring-loaded collar so it lines up, making a complete slot. Insert the T-shank and then release it, and it locks back into place, holding the jigsaw blade. That's the Ryobi and others like it. Next, you have this Blackened Decker and others like it that has some type of set screw, usually an Allen wrench. You just release it and the blade slides out. I'm using the wrong kind of blade here. I'm using a T-shank when it should be a U-shank, and tighten it back in position. I realize we're going through these very quickly, so be sure to use rewind or pause. And then finally, there's this Bosch. I have a screwdriver, and this screwdriver only serves one purpose. It is for changing of the blade of this Bosch. Find the head of the screw, release it, just enough to loosen the blade. You turn it 90 degrees, and the blade slides out. Insert the blade. You can see how the T-shank fits in that groove. Turn it 90 degrees. Line up the back of the blade with that roller. And tighten that screw. For more tool tips and product reviews, click the image on your screen now.